BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So it's Patch Tuesday again, and the latest cumulative update for Windows 11 KB5011493 is now available and started rolling out on the 8th of March 2022. And once this update has been applied, your OS build for the stable version of Windows 11 will be moved up to 22,556. Now, the Patch Tuesday cumulative updates are mainly security updates, and this is no exception. And this update is a security update for the Windows operating system, which in total addresses 71 vulnerabilities in the Windows 11, Windows 10 operating system, and also will also be vulnerabilities across the other Microsoft products and services. So in total, this update will address 71 vulnerabilities across Windows 11 and all those different Microsoft products and services. And it also includes fixes that address 3 zero-day exploits. So those are already been exploited in the wild and are currently active. So it's important to check you're up to date, especially if there are 3 security threats that are currently active and have already been exploited in the wild. So as always, to check if you have the update, just head to your settings, Windows Update, and the Patch Tuesday cumulative updates will be downloaded and installed automatically onto your device, and you will just have to restart your device to apply the update. And once the update is applied, you can just head to Update History, and here you will see cumulative update for Windows 11 KB5011493, and you can click on Learn More to go find out more online about the update. Now, just to mention quickly that if you didn't install the optional update that rolled out on the 15th of February last month, which was KB5011414, all those bug fixes, which the optional updates are mainly bug fixes, all those bug fixes from that update which rolled out last month, and all the new features will be bundled into this update. Now, just to do a quick recap on that update quickly, it was KB5011414 and had a whole lot of new features and numerous bug fixes, and was a major update for the Windows 11 operating system, which included and new Amazon App Store preview, taskbar improvements, redesigned media player and notepad apps, and a lot more. And I will leave a link to a video I did post on that down below if you're interested. So all those bug fixes and features will be bundled into this update, KB5011493, if you did not install that optional update, which rolled out in February, around about the 15th of February last month. Now, over and above addressing all those security updates, this latest update for Windows 11 also has an improvement, and apparently there was a bug that meant OneDrive users would find some data still on their PCs even after they had reset their PCs. And I'm just going to quote the fix from the Microsoft release notes for that issue. They say it addresses a known issue that occurs when you attempt to reset a Windows device and its apps have folders that contain repassed data, such as Microsoft OneDrive or Microsoft OneDrive for Business. When you select Remove Everything, files that have been downloaded or synced locally from Microsoft OneDrive might not be deleted. Some devices might take up to 7 days after you install this update to fully address the issue, so be aware of that. It might take 7 days for this issue to be addressed if you have been experiencing the issue, to fully address the issue and prevent files from persisting after a reset. For immediate effect, you can manually trigger Windows Update Troubleshooter using the instructions in Windows Update Troubleshooter. So this bug apparently has been addressed where OneDrive users would find some data still on their PCs even after a proper reset, which obviously is a bit of a hassle, especially if you are getting rid of an old PC, maybe selling it or giving it to somebody else, and there would be some of your data still available on that PC even after a hard reset, which is not optimum. And then if you installed the earlier updates, as mentioned, if you install the optional update from last month, only the new updates contained in this update this latest update KB5011493 will be installed onto your system. And then there's also been improvements to the servicing stack, which is the component that installs Windows updates. And if you are having issues downloading the update through Windows Update itself, you can always head over to the Microsoft Update catalog and just enter this KB number for this latest update, and you can download and install the update manually if you are having any issues with this latest update. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.